Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to tag or mention someone on a TikTok video or post. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you can do this in the description of the video as you're uploading it, or within a week after posting, you can manually update or change it. So we're just going to go ahead and open up the video we've already have uploaded to TikTok, and we're going to select the three-dotted icon on the right side of it. And then scrolling over on the bottom, we're going to select Edit Post. At this point, you can click inside the description field, and you can type the @ sign, and then type in either your friend name or whoever you want to tag on TikTok. You would select the done button to save it once that's done, and that is all you have to do. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.